When you want to create a brand or a business or whatever, it's just this big, well-oiled machine thing. You can't do it yourself. I mean, it's no longer a matter of opinion. It's definitely a matter of fact at that point. You don't have enough hours in the day to, number one, do those things, or to learn the skills to do all those things and still stay very efficient at all those skills at the same time.
Yeah, and you'll just be switching between different tasks. You'll be doing the equivalent of bad multitasking. You'll be a mile wide and an inch deep and have no mastery over any of your skills. So I could code my own plugins, and like I was saying, I could solder my gear, but I'm gonna be pretty terrible at each task. And I'm probably not gonna stay in love with the process and stay in a flow state. I'm gonna be stressed if I was trying to be my own agent, my own manager, my own tech support, everything. And there's already so much to juggle as it is that it's already tricky to scale and stay relevant as a brand with the amount of saturation that's out there. And everybody can become so good at these skills so quickly now with all the resources that are around that the market can change really quickly. And you've got to stay up to task, and you've got to keep your sonics sounding modern.